Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you fingerstyle Come Thou Fount of Every Blessing on the ukulele. So the strings go 1, 2, 3, 4. They count from the bottom up. And then the frets start here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So we're going to start on the 7th fret, go down to the 5th, then play the C chord, play the 3rd fret again, back up to the 7th, and to the 10th, and then this is first string, 5th fret, second string, 3rd fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then play the first string again, and 7th fret, 10th fret, then you're going to bar the 5th fret, and then your pinky is going to go onto the 12th fret. Then 10th fret, first string, 7th fret, 5th fret, and C chord. You're going to play that again. So 7th, 5th, 3rd, 3rd, 7th, 10th, first string, 5th fret, second string, 3rd fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, 7th fret, 10th fret, bar 5th and 12th fret of the first string, 10th fret of the first string, then 7th, 5th, and C chord. For this middle part, we're going to start on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, first string open, first string, 2nd fret, and then first string, 3rd fret with the 2nd fret down on the 4th string. So I'll do that slowly again. One more time. And then after that, 2nd fret of the first string, and then open on the 1st and 4th string. So it goes 1st string, 4th string, and then push down the 1st fret of the 2nd string, and open 4th string, and C chord. I'll go through that slowly again. So we did this part, and then it goes to this 2nd fret of the 1st string, open 1st and 4th, so play the 1st, 4th, and then 1st fret, 2nd string, open 4th, and then C. And one more time. And we're going to do that again. So start with the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, open 1st, 2nd fret of the 1st, and then 3rd fret, 1st string, 2nd fret, 4th string, 2nd fret, 1st string, then open 1st, open 4th, and then C. Alright, so now we go back to the beginning part. So start on the 7th fret, 1st string, down to the 5th, and C chord. Play that C again, that 3rd fret of the 1st string, then 7th, 10th, And then first string, 5th fret, second string, 3rd fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret. Play first string again. And then now we're going to jump all the way up to the 15th fret of the first string. Then 14th fret. And then back to this big stretch with the bar on the 5th fret and pinky on the 12th. Then move your pinky down 2 frets to 10th fret, 7th fret, 5th fret, C chord. So I'll do that last part again. So all the way up to the 15th, 14th, bar 5th, 12th fret, 10th fret, 7th, 5th, C. Alright, so those are the tabs, and now I'll show you the strumming pattern that I like to use. It sounds like this all together. So you start with the 3rd string and the 1st string plucked together. I do it with my middle finger and my thumb. And then thumb up to the 4th string. And then with my pointer and my middle finger, I pluck the 1st and 2nd string. So it goes like this. And then at the end you can play this string again. So if you need to, you can pause the video and practice that. And then I will go through how the song sounds with this pattern. So you play the 2 notes, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so that's how that part sounds. For the middle part, I don't do that strumming pattern. I just pick the melody and then strum the chords. So I start with the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. You play that up to here, and then I strum this chord. And the open 1st and 4th. Then I strum the next chord after that, then play the 4th again, and then I strum the C chord. So play that again. And then in the song you just play that, pretty much the same thing. Except you go to the C a measure quicker. And then back to the beginning part, and that's it. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. That's all for now. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.